Hi, I'm Joy Shutters-Helbing, co-host of the Jampod, a Salesforce ecosystem podcast. Today, I want to show you how we're using Agentforce to streamline planning local events in cities near you. Tracking our marketing efforts with campaigns is essential, but adding campaign members is a time-consuming process, no matter which way you slice it. Whether you're manually searching, then adding individual contacts, filtering contacts in bulk and list views, or uploading a CSV from an exported report, it can be downright tedious. To put Agentforce to work, first we did some prep. We built 3 basic auto launch flows: campaign creator, contact retriever, campaign member adder. Then we leveraged Agentforce's employee type agent, known for its AI-powered business task automation. We created a new topic, internal campaign management, defining its classification, scope, and instructions, plus example user inputs. Using the Agentforce conversation preview, we tested and fine-tuned until we got the right results. Finally, we activated the agent. Now, let's see it in action. Remember how tedious it can be to manually create a campaign and add members? Let's take a look at how our agent simplifies that process. First, we click the Agent Astro icon. The Agentforce panel slides open with a greeting, "Let's chat." Now we enter our request. Please create a campaign named the Jampod Visit Chicago. Identify local contacts. Add them as campaign members. Agent Astro acknowledges the request, processes the information, and then responds. The campaign, the Jampod Visit Chicago, has been created, and local contacts have been added as campaign members. Now, let's verify Agent Astro's work. Open our campaign list view, see that our campaign has been created, and sure enough, Jenny from Chicago has been automatically added as a campaign member. And that's it. With Agentforce, event planning is faster, easier, and more efficient, eliminating the manual effort while ensuring the right attendees are included.